everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and today I am doing my second ever. I printed up another stencil from my Explorer Air 1. And all I have to do now is finish laying it out straight, hopefully. This is a Batman, and actually I am going to do one for my son for Christmas, but not on this painting. This is just a practice one. So here I am laying out the stencil I made. I'm going to double check to make sure everything's on there really well. Hopefully it stays. There we go. Alright, so let me use this jello. Get that hair out of there. There we go, nice and thick. Alright. So we're just going to paint right over this picture. Just like this. Probably have to do 2 coats. And you notice I'm trying to brush away from the edge, not up to the edge, but away from the edge like this. That's fine. Just like this. And what I'm going to probably do is let this dry a bit. Probably even hit the blow dryer on it. And so I can put the second coat on because I'm sure it'll need another coat. And I can take off that sticker. Here we go. And then we'll be back in just a little bit. Okay, I'm back. What I'm doing now, I did do a second coat already. I'm making a mess right there. So what I'm going to do now is get that off before it dries completely, because I believe that's what they tell you to do. So it might be too hard to get it off once it's dried overly. Let's find out. I think I see a hair in there. So here we go. Yeah. Oh. Let's see what we get. Let's try to save that. I might eat it. Well, it's different. I'm not sure what I think. I know I'll have to touch it up a bit here and there, but I like it actually. Need a little brush to do that, but I'm gonna definitely have to touch it up a little bit. But I like the fact of that little bit of color up there on the top of the Batman. So I'm not going to want to touch it up too much, just right around the edges with a tiny brush with yellow, and of course on the sides, and I'm going to resin it. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching and joining me, and we'll see you soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye bye now.